Welcome students. Today we are going to see in the third chapter multiplication and division word problem. Okay. So I will read the question. The cost of 216 shirt is 3,35,232 rupees. It means find the cost of one shirt. So before see this sum, I will give a small example, then you can understand. Okay. So now you are going to buy a chocolate. So you are going to buy a chocolate. How many chocolates you want? You are going to buy a 10 chocolate. Okay. You are going a shop. You are asking to shopkeeper. Sir, I want to 10 chocolate. Okay, then shopkeeper told you the cost is 20 rupees. Okay, so 10 chocolate cost is 20 rupees. Okay, so the shopkeeper gave to you 10 chocolate, you gave to 20 rupees. Okay. Then you came to home, then your mother or your father asking you what is the cost of each chocolate, because you purchase 10 chocolate 20 rupees, means do you know what is the cost of one chocolate, each chocolate price? So how will you calculate? So some of you they can say answer. How? 10 into 2 equal to 20, means one chocolate cost is 2 rupees. They can say like this, but actually what reason? No, we have to divide the price divided by number of quantity. So we have to divide by price divided by number of quantity. Actually we have to do like this. So price as a dividend, quantity as the divisor. We have to keep like this, then we can divide. Then we will get answer. What is the answer? Price 20, then quantity 10. So how many tens are there in 20? 2 tens. So 2 tens are 20, means we get 0. So what is the cost of each chocolate? 2 rupees. The same logic here we are going to discuss about that. Okay. So I told you the cost as a dividend, the number of quantity as a divisor. So I will take 3,35,232 as a dividend, 216 as a divisor. So you know the rules, division rule, because here 3-digit number, so inside also we want to take 3-digit number. Okay, so 335 we will take first time, then we will divide. So approximately I am trying to 2 times. If you multiply 2 times, it goes 400. Means 200 into 2 times 400, 420, 32 something. But it is not divided, because here 335. So I will take one time. 1 into 216. Same. 216 only. So if you subtract this, 5 minus 6 we can't subtract. So I will borrow from nearby number. Here become 2. Now here become 15. So 15 minus 6. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 9 is the difference. 2 minus 1, 1. Then 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. If you see the dividend 190, the divisor 216. So we cannot divide. So that's why I will take down another number 2. Now I want to find out how many 216s are there in 1192. Approximately I will multiply 4 times 1192. Sorry. 216 4. 6 4s are 24. Remainder 2. 4 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 6. 4 2s are 8. If you see, I multiply 4 times, but here 1000. There 800 is there. So we will multiply 5 times. So 5 times I will multiply. So 5 6 are 30. Remainder 3. Then 5 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 8. Then 5 2s are 10. If you see, it's nearly 1000. Okay. So 5 times we can multiply. If you multiply 6 times, it will goes 1200. So I will multiply by only 5 times. So 5 into 216, you will get 1080. Then if you subtract this, 2 minus 0, 2. Then 9 minus 8, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. Then 1 minus 1, 0. So if you see, comparison divisor, dividend is small. So I will take another number downside. So 1223. Sorry, 1123 is there. So how many times we can divide? Say 5 times. We can, because already I told you here 5 times. So 5 into 216 is equal to 1080. If you subtract this, 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 8 we can't subtract. So I borrowed here my number. So here becomes 0, here 12. So 8 minus 12, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 is the difference. So here 0 as it is. 1 1 0, same. 1 minus 1 0. So 43 is remain. So here 2 extra. So I will take down downside. Now 432. Here already I multiply, but 4 times we can't multiply, no? So 2 times I will multiply. 2 times. 260 into 2. 6 2s are 12. 1 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 3. 2 2s are 4. So 432. 2 times we can multiply. So 2 into 216 is equal to 432. Remainder 0. So if you see, we got one shirt cost. What is the cost of one shirt? So one shirt cost is 1552 rupees. This is the answer. So this kind of sums you may expect in your examination. It's like you take cost as a dividend, quantity as a divisor. Some situations it will, some difference, some changes will come. But in this kind of sums, you take cost as a big number as a dividend, then small number as a divisor. Then you can find the price. Okay. Okay, students. It's another word problem. It's a real life. If we are in future, you are becoming a businessman. If you are running a TV shop, then this kind of situation, in this kind of sums we will use our real life also. So the sum is the cost of 125 color TV, means the person purchased 125 color TV at the price of 31,94,375 rupees. So he went and purchased bulk 125 TVs at the same time, but he don't know what the price of one TV cost. Okay, he went and purchased 125 TV he gave this amount 31 lakhs 94,000. Then you want to know what is the price of single TV cost. So how we will find out? So I already told you the division is the perfect method for finding single, means one TV cost. Before we talk another example, then this also. So I told you before, the big number take as a dividend, the small number as a take a divisor. Then we can find quotient as the answer. Okay. So the dividend 31 lakhs 94,375 is the dividend. Then 125 is the divisor, means quantity. It's a quantity. This is the price, means cost. So I am going to find the quotient. So 125 is a 3-digit number. So here also I am going to take 3-digit number. So 319. In this 319, how many 125s are there? If you multiply 2 times 200, 3 times 300, 360 will come. 360 means it goes above the number. So I will take 2 times. Okay, so 2 125s are 2 5s are 10, remainder 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, then 2. 225 125 is equal to 250. If you subtract this, 9 minus 0 9, 1 minus 5 we can't subtract, so borrow nearby number 11. So 11 minus 5, 5 after 6 7 8 9 10 11, so 6 is the difference. 2 minus 2 0. So now I am going to take one number downside, 4. So how many 125s are there in 694? Approximately I will try to 5 times. Yes, 5 times I will multiply. 125 into 5. 5 5s are 25, remainder 2. 5 2s are 10, plus 2 12, remainder 1. 5 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. 625. If you multiply 6 times, it will go 700. So I will take 5 times only. So 5 125s are, sorry, I forgot to put 2. So 225 is equal to 250. Okay. So now 5 times. 5 125s are 625. Then if you subtract, here becomes 8, here 14. So 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 9 is the difference. Here 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So we have another number. So I will take downside. Now 693. So I think again we will multiply 5 times. Because already I told you 5 times are 625. So I will take 5 times. 5 125 is equal to 625. If you subtract this, 3 minus 5 we can't subtract, so borrow nearby number. Here becomes 8, here 13. So 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 is the remainder. It's a difference. 8 minus 2, 6. So 6 minus 6, 0. So no need to subtract. Then take down 7. If you see, now also we can do it by 5 times. So 5 125s are 625. If you subtract this, 7 minus 5, 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So remainder 62. But one more number, 5 is there, no? So I will put here 625. So if you see 625, so 5 times we can divide exactly. So 5 125s are 625, then we get remainder 0. So what is the answer? So 1 TV cost, I will rough this. So therefore 1 color TV cost RS 25,555 is the answer. Okay, so I told you the cost of 125 color TV cost 31,94,375, but the customer don't know the single TV cost. So how you will find out? Using this method is the division method. We use the one TV cost. So 25,555 is the one TV cost. Okay.